It's not true.
He's practicing. I was a child lecturer for the city until 30 years ago.
Yeah.
And became an outplacement consultant, networked into a number of outplacement firms, including DBM. You may have heard of DBM, Penna, Wright Associates, some of these big names.
And you were HR director?
I was HR.
Right.
And I've been in outplacement, which is about career counselling
Yeah.
executives for the last 30 years.
My name's Sarah Culverhouse and I'm part of the team that runs the Winchester Job Club. Job clubs are groups of volunteers who meet every week and encourage people to get into work, whether they're first time into work or they've been unemployed for a long time, previously having had a career and are struggling to get back into jobs of any kind. So it's really drop-in, friendly and open every Friday unless it's Christmas.
Okay, outside the Winnell Community Centre with Candice Cutler, and Candice lives here on the estate and is part of the team that's put together this new job club for Winchester. Candice, why are you involved in this? Why is this a good thing?
It's for the benefit of everybody on the community. There is a lot of people that are out of work and they just don't know where to turn and help with just doing CVs and everything else.
And first and foremost, what are people looking for when they walk through the door? Is it confidence boosting, is it help with CVs, or a bit of everything?
A bit of everything, I feel.
And I suppose the ultimate judge of success will be how many people come through the door and then how many people come back on their lunch break from the job that they've done to say thank you.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Good luck with it.
Thank you.